बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम. This is DIY craft videos signing in. So viewers, how are you all guys? I hope so. You all are fine. And I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most beautiful, incredible and very attractive recycling old jeans ideas with beautiful purses. So viewers, you must tell me about how much you like this video or how much you like this craft work or recycling craft ideas. You must leave the comment in the comment section, and if you like this video then click the like button and also share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are very stunning, very beautiful old jeans recycling purses ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like this video. Thank you for supporting my channel guys. And I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel. These are very amazing and very unique and very latest DIY old jeans recycling craft ideas. You guys also watch different other tutorials on different other craft work or craft videos on my channel, like pebble craft, recycling craft ideas, make macrama wall hanging ideas, and so on. And I hope so you like this video and you share this video with your friends and with your family members. And I am very glad to see you all guys through my channel and through my videos. I personally enjoy these type of videos, that's why I also share with you all. These are very amazing ideas. You can make these purses with your old jeans, and these are very amazing also craft work for your for you all guys to make them at home very easily. And if you don't know about how to make them, then you watch a tutorial, a DIY tutorial on YouTube. Then you make these type of purse from your old jeans. Once again guys, I am thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are very pretty and very decent ideas for you guys, and these purses are especially for women and for college girls, teenage girls. They carry these type of purse very easily. So guys, I hope so you like this video and share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are very stunning and very beautiful ideas for you guys. So always take care, always be happy, and these are the best ideas for you guys, and you must follow my channel. Keep me in your prayers. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz guys.